on the mend, the roller ball this time, and start to rub it into the ankle area, which feels so good already. We're going to tap into there and then roll along your toes right there and into the arch of your foot for this one. So we're going to go right into the arch there. And plus I had a nice pedicure, so I didn't want to waste it. So starting with the heart stone here, you're getting into those grooves. And start with the back of your ankle right into that soft spot and just start gently pressing and then lifting up towards the heart. Okay, so you're just gently giving these little pumps up and through, and you'll find if it's tender, a lot of times if it's sore here, just spend some time and just gently rub it, give it some time, and then of course do it on the other side. So we're going to get the other side of your ankle here, and then with your toes, this is really important too. So place your hand on the back of your foot here, find the grooves to the salt stone and kind of lift up so that you get some space in between your toes. All right, so many times your toes get crunched up like this and they're crossing over and all this other stuff, and so we want to get the connective tissue, and you're going to take this and really get into the different parts, into the middle parts of your toes, and get some more flexibility, and then finish up. When you finish that, then to the arch of your foot. And this one is perfect for people that have plantar fasciitis or arch problems or flat feet, and so it's really good to start to work into that fascia and connective tissue. And it feels even better when it's all throughout the whole sole of your foot. So once you start here, you're going to come around to the other side and kind of make this U shape, you know, kind of like in the circular fashion. But honestly, you guys, there's no wrong way to do this. Just the fact that you do it, it feels so amazing when you finish. You're just going to start to get some foot circles around and foot flexibility, because honestly, foot flexibility is the #1 reason why people fall and have foot problems. So keep those feet flexible. I will talk to you soon in the next video, and have a great night. Bye.